Hey guys, Kostas here. Friday night, we're getting it done at Old Buggery Tavern. A successful restaurant is a well-oiled machine firing on all cylinders. There is a harmony of dance and rhythm, with each team member carrying out essential tasks. This look of precision is only achieved by hours and hours of training and experience. There is zero room for error when the stakes are this high. Our Friday dinner shift has just gotten started. We have a rehearsal dinner in an hour with about 60 people coming. Let me just tell you that timing is everything whenever you're hosting a reception dinner or a wedding. Even though you don't think they're ready, you gotta make sure that you compensate for the time that it takes for your staff to plate all the food. So we got everybody plating everywhere, have all the food on standby, that way it's executed flawlessly.
You got me tripping, ever since I saw you, I went slipping, didn't even know you, couldn't even breathe without you. It's how I'm feeling, all I ever wanted, you, I'm digging, it's how you got me started, couldn't even be without you. I wanna be by your side, that's what I'm trying to say.
Taylor Spenser, thank you so much for allowing Old Buggery Taverna to host this beautiful reception dinner for you. If anyone out there is looking to host a special event like a Christmas party or a wedding reception, please consider Old Buggery Taverna. We would love to take care of you and give you that same treatment that we gave this beautiful couple.
When you say all the things you say to me.